We're getting more and more inquiry now for people that are looking at purchasing electric cars. It's important to have a high quality panel and a high wattage panel that's going to minimise the usage of space on your roof. So if you do decide to increase the size of this system in 2, 3, 4, 5 years time, or whenever it may be, you've actually still got available space on your roof. So, you know, your 330, 340, 360, 365 watt panels even. It really minimises the space on the roof to ensure that you're getting the best out of the space that you've got and hopefully leaving a bit of room for future expansion if you need it. When choosing solar, it's really important to get that sizing correct, not only for your power usage, but also for your roof type and orientation, time of usage, any peak loads that can affect it. So one thing we do is we pop out to site, have a look at your power bill, discuss your requirements, look at your possible future expansion and what's happening with your power usage. A lot of people, first and foremost, they just want to cut their power bills down. That's the main goal for most people, but added benefit, of course, is it's helping with the environment. Climate change is a pretty big issue. The more and more that everybody can do, the better for everyone. Yeah, it's a win-win for everybody. You can save money and you can save the environment at the same time, protecting the environment for our kids' future.